One of the most delectable dessert ideas is a classic chocolate fondue. It's not only delicious but also a fun and interactive way to enjoy dessert, perfect for parties and gatherings. Here's a simple recipe for a delightful chocolate fondue. Ingredients: 8 ounces of high-quality dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, finely chopped. 1 cup heavy cream. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. A variety of dippables: strawberries, banana slices, pineapple chunks, marshmallows, cubes of pound cake, pretzels, etc. Instructions: in a saucepan, heat the heavy cream over medium heat until it's hot but not boiling. Place the finely chopped dark chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Pour the hot cream over the chocolate and let it sit for a minute to melt the chocolate. Stir the mixture until it becomes smooth and glossy. If the chocolate doesn't fully melt, you can place the bowl over a pot of simmering water, double boiler, and continue stirring until smooth. Stir in the vanilla extract. Transfer the melted chocolate to a fondue pot or a heat-proof serving bowl. Serve the chocolate fondue with an assortment of dippables for everyone to enjoy. Use fondue forks or wooden skewers for dipping. The great thing about chocolate fondue is that you can get creative with the dippables. You can include a variety of fruits, cookies, and even different types of chocolate for a truly indulgent experience. Enjoy this decadent and interactive dessert with family and friends. It's a surefire way to satisfy your sweet tooth and create memorable moments.